weather now.
Okay. We're listening to some of it here in Engine 3, and apparently they've got a possible tornado in the Republic area. It's radar confirmed at this time. They're still trying to get spotters on it.
Ooh, Twister. Cool.
Okay, clear on that. We're out of power here at the station.
Five to Engine 3. Go. Are they saying a direction? Is that going? We're getting several conflicting reports on that, but Doppler indicated tornado in the Republic area. I don't know what part of the Republic area. That's all that they're talking about right now. They were still trying to get a track on that as well. They're trying to get spotters in the area. Okay, clear, thank you.
Ooh, we might just blow away tonight, folks. Sorry. Ooh, pretty clouds.
Computer or something like that to let us know what we got out to the north and west of us, if we're going to stay on weather spotters or not. Last time myself and 84 checked our phones, it looked to be simply some rain and some moderate-sized cells. I don't think anything severe. However, our lightning down here at Willow Central has really picked up. We're getting a lot of clouded ground here around the meadows and the fields surrounding it. Yeah, I copy. I'm looking south down there. I've got an inbound flow coming out of the northwest. It's picking in as it gets toward you. Just wanted to see if we want to keep our spotter down for a few more minutes or what. I just checked the radar on my phone here. Looks like it's just a straight rain band from Springfield back to the north-northwest, back towards the Kansas line near Nevada. And then around Nevada, there's some moderate-sized storms. I'm not sure which way they're tracking. But right now, it looks like just some rain. Copy that. Keep me advised if you can. Thank you. Willard 9 to 7. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm pulling up my work laptop now. I've got a cell card internet access. I'll give you a good idea of which way it's tracking here momentarily as soon as I get it up and online.
1010 off Springfield Fire, correction, Greene County Fire Department, all Greene County Fire Departments. Flash flood warning till 0200 hours. Flash flood warning till 0200 hours.
603.
Greene County is under a flash flood warning until 0200 hours.
Clear on that. Thank you.
Wow.
233, go ahead.
You can show us how to see the big fire station would.
Go ahead, 105.
You may want to go ahead and contact dispatch or call them, whatever, and let them know that obviously is closed off very well and will be probably for the next 30 minutes. You may want to notify MoDOT since that's probably in the state area, state highway.
We'll do that, thanks. Ebenezer, do we know if the Highway 13 and BB is the same as 13 and 34? Have we been able to determine that yet?
I guess we have. There's no accident at 34. I went through there to get to here.
10-4, thank you.
Dispatch from 34. 34. Just overheard traffic from Greene County and Ebenezer fires. They've checked the area of Farm Road 34. No accident was found. They believe it to be the same accident at 3. Assistant 2. 233, assistant to Nixa at Station 1. Let's make sure you're next to Station 1.
Wow.
Sebring just returned you. Clear. Point. I believe you're right behind us. Yes, you are. However, they're saying that there's possibly 4 patients there on BB. That's clear. Dispatch, you copy direct. Dispatch copies direct.
Attention all Willard Coast, we're trying to get some internet information to see if TV's safe so they can disconnect, and we'll get back to you on that. Thank you.
Downfield? Yes, sir. Did you say we're still in the thick of this storm here in Battlefield? 421, you can send me the check person at Tonic.
Clear, Coast 2, back into service. Clear 423?
You up?
Clear 222?
Here on 101 at the school, right by that pond at the Meadows, have some flooding over the roadway in the bend. I'd say probably a couple inches deep, but it's definitely wasn't there earlier.